Stock trading lower right now on news that Rex Tillerson is out as Secretary of State. Mike Pompeo is in. It's all coming amid the release of new inflation data, which shows only a modest rise in consumer prices. This is good news. It's very good news for investors who were so freaking out about rising inflation and the impact on the Fed's interest rate policy. In other words, inflation's just kind of creeping along. It's not going at some record pace. So that's good news. Nonetheless, we get a market that's off 60 points. Joining me right now, Gartman Letter editor and publisher Dennis Gartman. Dennis, this is what we want, right? Just a little bit of inflation.
Oh, a little inflation is always fairly decent. This barely above 2% is good for the bond market. Bonds are a little bit stronger today. It should have been good for the dollar, but all of a sudden the news that came out with Mr. Tillerson having been forced out of office, Mr. Pompeo being pushed into new office, created enough confusion. But yes, let's just say a little inflation beats beats even a modest amount of deflation, and thankfully we are getting a bit of inflation at this point.
You mentioned it created a little confusion. I get a little annoyed with these investors sometimes because I think that they overreact. They're not really overreacting today because the market down 64 points is just 1/4%, not entirely a big deal. But nonetheless, it feels as though, Dennis, they react so strongly to things. The tariffs were a great example. They reacted in a very negative way initially, and it really took time for them to come to terms with, okay, maybe this isn't the end of the world. Why are we seeing such violent moves?
Well, I am one of those people who tends to react a little bit because I live in the world of news every moment. The tariffs terrified me, I must admit. The ability of the market to shrug it off.
You weren't watching Intel then. You should have been watching Intel. We would have cautioned you against being overly worried, but finish your thought.
Well, first of all, I am very antagonistic towards tariffs to begin with, but I guess the market began to understand that we're not the only country that is putting tariffs into effect. Europe has a great number of tariffs that have been in effect for a long time. The concern was that we'd slide down a slippery slope. We haven't yet. It's still early. Let's see what happens, but at least we're seeing some strength in the bond market. I think that's impressive, and the fact that we roared last Friday after the non-farm payrolls number, which really was an impressive number,
terrific,
it was an impressive number to say the very least. And not only that, but we got a good number north of us in Canada, which tells us that all of North America is doing quite well. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I like the sound of that. And hey, I think you're right. I think people didn't quite understand how bad some of these deals were. And we now have an opportunity to use economic leverage instead of using military leverage or no leverage at all to fix them. And I think that's good news. I mean, I got to tell you, I'm not worried about a little increase in steel and aluminum because you know what, Dennis? If we can reconstruct all these agreements all around the world, then guess what? We will sell more products all around the world. And that would be actual free trade.
Well, let's see what happens. NAFTA is 20-some years old. It can be renegotiated. There are things that it can use some tweaking. But
this is what he ran on.
No question about that. But let's be concerned. He had talked about tossing it overboard. Probably that was just a negotiation point. It can be renegotiated. Let's see what comes out of the negotiation process.
Dennis Gartman, it's good to see you, sir. Thank you.